Yesterday, I came out of my body. My spirit came out of my body. I jumped out of my body then. I went to different places around the world. I did it intentionally yesterday. But in this video, that's not what I'm going to teach you. What I'm going to teach you is how you can interact with angels. I'm recording this video secretly so that nobody's going to hear me, so that they won't steal the system, so that they won't try the system for themselves. But if you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to learn the same methods of how to summon angels, how to summon angels, how to conjure angels, or how to make angels appear. Simple English, right? All right. So how can we make angels to appear? You see, there's one thing that people think about me. I know some people now, somewhere, they'll be like, this guy will be doing some mad rituals. Why? This guy will be doing some crazy stuff. And they want to know that thing. They want to know what that guy is doing. See, let me first tell you one thing, because I know you're watching my video. You can't see anything. You'll be unable to see anything, any visible thing. You can't see any visible thing. You're wasting your time. Once you learn this thing, people will want to be like, they really want to know what you are doing. They want to cease. Oga, you won't see anything. You can't see anything. There is nothing you can see. You won't be able to see anything. Also, understand that what the person is doing is not evil. What the person is doing, you might not be used to it. You might think, oh, maybe it's devilish, it's doing some crazy stuff. It's a lie. You will never be able to see anything, any visible stuff. This is like the highest, most refined spiritual ability and training that exists in the world. You see, most people, they tend to draw all kind of marks and whatever. They draw different things. So you'll be able to see or try to interpret it, right? They might look dirty or whatever, but no, this is Christianity. We are not dirty in Christianity. We are clean, we are classy in Christianity. We are advanced in Christianity, so you won't see anything. You won't even see anointing oil yourself. You won't see handkerchief. Just by the pure vibration of the human being and high mental power, by the power of the Holy Ghost, you will live your life normally, as you wish. Nobody will even know unless you tell them. But you'll be able to summon angels and you'll be able to do whatever you wish. But you see, you can't give too much details about it to people. You can't really tell them about it because they won't believe you anyway in the first place. And also they'll be suspecting you. Most of these things, you just have to keep it to yourself. You're not keeping them to yourself because they are evil or demonic or dangerous, no. Just that the minds of these people cannot comprehend. So you don't waste your time discussing it with them. All you just need to do is, oh, I need an angel. No, let me summon the angel. Talk to the angel. Even your wife will not understand. If you have a wife, your wife will think two things. Maybe you're fake or you're deceiving people. Yes. But you see, me, I didn't learn from black people. No. I learned from white people. And white people don't do fake stuff. If a white person is doing fake stuff, he will tell you that, oh, it's a trick that he's doing. He will let you know. But the white people I learned from, they were not doing tricks. They know what they are doing. There's no tricks. I know, as you already know, you know that I know most of these people, most of the most popular people in those, what can I call it? That niche, let me call it the niche. I know them. But this system is pure and clean. No negativity involved. Some people don't just believe, like, how is it possible that you won't do any form of ritual and an angel will come? It's because I've reached that level. That's it. It took time and effort. And now you can attain the same level too. You see, everything in life is not money. The money that I have is part of the manifestation of the summoning angels. But I have other things I'm doing with my life too. Like prophecy. Astral projection is there. Creation of egregores is there. Creation of thought forms is there. Personal practices. There are many things that I do with my life. Money is just one of those things. Depending on what you want to do, if you learn how to summon angels, you can achieve any result that you want in your life. I can wake up tomorrow and say I want to be like AI guy, and I'll be one of the best in the field. I can choose to do whatever I want. I can say I want to become a painter today. I don't know how to paint now. I can't draw now. But if I start to summon angels that will help me with painting, I'm going to become one of the best, and I'll actually become popular. Yes. There are musicians that do this. There are Christians do this too. Musicians, there are artists that do this. There are authors that do this. So if you want to write a book and you want it to be a best-selling book, you need to learn this thing, man. All those you're speaking in tongues, it was a waste of time, waste of your time and energy. Don't worry, I know how to speak in tongues more than you. I know how to groan, self. We've done those things. But if advanced, we pass those levels, we know what works and what doesn't work. When you're speaking in tongues, what has happened now? The ordinary, simple prophecy, you can't even do it. But one thing about summoning angels is that there are so many things that, people would want to use it to do. I just laugh when people message me and they say, oh, they're trying to get information out of me. They want me to say something. But summoning angels depends on the nature of the individual. The nature of the individual, who the individual is. Would you go to a pastor or would you go to Jesus and say, can you use your power to do evil? What would Jesus tell you? It depends on the person. You can have a knife. A knife can be useful. And you use it to cook fish. You use it to cut fish. Use it to cut vegetables. Why are you thinking that someone to use the knife? Someone went to buy a knife in the market to kill somebody. Why are you thinking that? Why don't you think that the person bought the knife so that they can cut okra, so that they can cook food? Why are you thinking that the person wants to learn, get a knife so that they can harm somebody? Are there no knives in everybody's house? Some people think that, summoning angels is for evil. It's a lie. It's not true. And someone will be like, they've sold their soul to the devil. Oh, they've done this. It's a lie. You are talking about yourself. That's who you are. That's who you are. It is possible to interact with an angel. And when you summon angels, you can either encounter a thought form, an egregore, or you encounter a part of your mind, or you encounter a real angelic being, depending on the levels. But one thing I know is that if you keep on doing it over and over, you'll be able to achieve the result that you want. But most people are thinking, maybe it's that money ritual they had about, or no, it's different. It's not like that one that you're talking about. It's not that one you're thinking. It's not Nollywood or Hollywood. I think it sounds, summoning angels. Of course, it's fantastic, right? Some people will be like, can you show me the angel? No, you can't see the angel because your third eye is not open now. You can't. But it's there. It can even be here right now. Do you know? But this topic is they make people feel like scared. I understand. It's movies that cause that. But one thing I used to tell people, if you learn summoning angels, your life will change because you can get whatever result that you want. Simple as ABC. Your wife will not understand. Your girlfriend can understand. Your brother can understand. Your mom can understand. Your dad can understand. They can't understand because they'll think it's something weird or whatever, or strange or something. Someone will be like, show me where is it in the Bible. Show me where is it in the Bible. Show me where your phone is in the Bible now. Though there's so many angels in the Bible. But the Bible is not a manual on the development of spiritual gifts. So you won't really see something like, this is how to summon angels. There's nothing like, this is how to prophesy in the Bible. You won't see it. Or this is how to perform miracles in the Bible. You won't see it. It's not a manual on miracles. But in my school, I can teach you how to summon angels if you have the time and effort. You need to work on your mind strongly. Very important. Then your visualization must be very sharp. And you need to do a series of experiments. It's like a scientist. We have 30 days in a month. You just need 5 days to get it. That's all. 5 days. If you can get it 5 days out of 30 days, you'll get whatever you want. Out of those 5 days, if you get it properly 3 times, that's all. And you need a little bit of patience too. And before you know it, the angel will come and appear physically to you. If you enter into theta brainwave state, the angel will appear physically. If you enter into alpha brainwave state, the angel will appear in a vision or trance. This thing helps you to unlock your genius state. You become a genius. Your mind changes. Things that you are not able to achieve, you begin to achieve them at a high, fast speed. See, this is not about making money. It's not. People are chasing money. This thing is not really about making money. Do you know what this thing is all about? It's not about making money. It's alchemy, development of yourself, your inner self, in order to achieve mastery. It bleeds into all areas of your life. It's not just about, I want to make money. That's just one small thing. Do you think the president is chasing, I want to have money? No. If you are the president, you have money. It's a side effect. It's much more than that. You actually become a standard human being backed by the power of God. You become a human being that possesses the right charisma. Become even the friend of angels. Like, this thing is deeper than what most people are thinking. Life is more than money, but you have money anyway. Just part of it. Spiritual development at the highest level. And if you want anything, you can have it as long as it's a genuine need. Isn't that powerful? The ability to control nature, the powers of nature, and influence events and things that will happen. That's really amazing. It's not witchcraft. It's just following the law of God. If you want to know how this thing works, reach out to me. I'll teach you the art of summoning angels, one of the highest levels of spiritual development. So if that's what you want, reach out to me. Make sure you like this video and share it to your friends. I hope I'm able to paint this picture properly in your mind for you to understand what I'm really talking about. God bless you.